Hello, it's Georgia trial attorney Jack Clay, and today I'd like to talk to you about the process that we as attorneys undergo when we pick a jury. So if you're out there and you have a case, or if you're another attorney watching this video, you can get some practical tips and advice. In the legal world, we call picking a jury voir dire. It's a French phrase, and it sounds complicated, but in reality, the process is rather simple. Thanks for joining me. My first tip is this. It is important that you have a good organizational structure when you pick a jury in a case. When you get into court, you're going to see between 20 and 40 people usually who are new to you, with whom you do not have any familiarity. So it's important that you're able to structure your questioning and where people are sitting while you're questioning them on some type of flow chart or a legal pad. The times that I've seen this rule ignored are the times that lawyers get flustered, disorganized, and they can't ask the necessary questions to the prospective jurors. Second, in my opinion, your goal during jury selection is to first and foremost strike or get rid of the jurors that may not be favorable to your case. There's a lot of science, and it's more like psychology that's involved in picking a jury. You have to understand people's predispositions, their views, and how they might decide the case. The real problem is the rules do not allow you to ask them questions to prejudge the case that you're in court to talk about. So you have to use some good techniques to get around the direct questions of, well, how do you feel about this case? And judging their attitudes, again, is also important to this process because it may determine later how they're going to decide a case. Third, I believe that many cases are won or lost during jury selection. If you do not know which jurors are more or less likely to rule in your favor by finding out about their biases and prejudices, you're at a distinct disadvantage when you start trying your case and getting into what we call opening arguments and having witnesses come testify and your closing arguments. Jury selection always takes place first, and it's done a number of different ways, but the universal theme is to try to assess people and to use the skills and intelligence you've learned as an attorney to strike or to get rid of jurors who are biased against you or who may not decide in your favor. Finally, if you're out there watching this, whether you're an attorney or somebody who needs a trial attorney who's competent and has a long record of success, we are here to help you. We have handled hundreds of cases throughout Georgia, and we pride ourselves on going to court when necessary. Most clients would rather settle their cases than go to court, and we understand this. But it's good for you to have an attorney who is capable in the courtroom. Our office is located across the street from the Douglas County Courthouse. We offer convenient office hours, and you can see more about us on our website at www.jackclay.com. Thank you for joining me.